Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome. Normally I'm super excited because I'm gonna share with you guys some spoilers, full box reveal, new information. But today, you guys, some new information. It is super breaking news, and I'm not taking that lightly at all. Breaking news about Boxycharm and Ipsy. You probably have read it, saw it. I feel more calm once I saw the video from the CEO from Boxycharm, Joe. So I'm gonna share a clip about that too. So we saw an article today from Bloomberg, also from Yahoo. Yahoo shared an article, and in the article I'm just gonna read it and I'm gonna share with you guys too. It says Ipsy, the world's largest beauty sampling service, today announced it is acquiring Boxycharm. All together gonna form BFA, which is Beauty for All Industries. So Ipsy and Boxycharm will operate as separate brands in a merged company called BFA Industries, which is short for Beauty for All. Ipsy and Boxycharm have chased different demographics, with Boxycharm focused on high-end customers, he said. So that is their goal, and that is so true. I love Boxycharm because at least that part that they focus on high-end customers, and a lot of the times we keep getting higher-end brands, and that's something that I hope that it doesn't change. So this is something we need to know. It says that Joe Martin, Joe, of course, the CEO from Boxycharm, the founder of Boxycharm, will join the board of the new company, and he's going to continue to lead the brand. So this company will also launch a new personal care subscription service called Refreshments in a few weeks. So now it's not just going to be Boxycharm and Ipsy, but now a new subscription company is going to start pretty soon, and that's what it's going to call Refreshments. From Ipsy, as you know, Ipsy has some great qualities and great products and great ways for them to handle things that Boxycharm was lacking on. Yet the service or the products or the high-end brands you was getting from Boxycharm, most of those I have not seen on Ipsy. So if you think about it, combining them together could make the best subscription box out there. But will that come with the price? Will the prices change, or they'll be raised? Will it change? Since there's no competition, what's going to happen? That is a great question, because sometimes when they merge, they don't feel like that competitiveness is not there. So what is that going to happen? But if I'm going to invest money in a company, of course you want to make sure that you're going to get your money's worth, looking at it from a business perspective, and you want to make sure that you raise those sales, that whatever you was able to reach in 2020, it surpasses in 2021. So if you're looking at it from a business perspective, you're going to make sure that you elevate from Ipsy and Boxycharm, and all the tips and tricks that Boxycharm knew how to earn those high-end company are going to be able to be translated to Ipsy. And where Boxycharm was lacking, if they really wanna up the game on both subscription boxes, one thing that Boxycharm was lacking, let's say, was customer service. Also not having an app. I think that was key, and that was such on point. Getting the tracking information from Ipsy, that's just one of the things just to think about on the top of my head. Now Boxycharm could improve in that, and having two great companies could really bring more subscribers. So if they could elevate and they could share those tips and tricks that they were able to excel on, I think we could see a better improvement on 2021. I hope that we're able to get different brands that I have seen in Ipsy that I have not seen in Boxycharm yet. And I hope that Ipsy also continues the way they have been, but getting more high-end products, because that will be nice. That could you imagine getting Ipsy and Boxycharm head to head, and you're able to subscribe to both boxes and get high-end products from both at such a reasonable price? I mean, I would love to see that, really. And then improved on every area that they could give information to each other, how they improved it and how they made it better. I think this could really, if they are both trying to raise up the sales and up the game, I think this could really be good news. I just hope that I continue to see Joe, how he has been upfront in the company, showing us spoilers. I hope that that doesn't change. So I hope that this is good news. We'll see next year, a year from now, where this takes us and what's happening. And guys, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you a clip and a video of Joe addressing this information, so that way you feel at peace. And if you have any doubts, you guys could see the article as well. So guys, I don't know what else to think. Yes, I was very sad, but seeing it from a different, a positive perspective, I think this could be a good thing. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. I know I'm still shocked, but I wanted to share this information with you guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and until the next video, bye.
I wanted to jump on a quick live with you and give you some update. Some of you have heard or read on the news that there was an acquisition by Texas Pacific Group that backed Ipsy, an acquisition for Boxycharm, and I wanted to shed some light. Let me allow some more people in. Let me see you. So far I see a small amount. Good morning. See who's on. Let's let it build up. Okay, so it was an acquisition, partly merger, but we're extremely excited to announce it, that we are working now with Texas Pacific Group, TPG, and Ipsy, and we signed the paper last night. The acquisition was taking us a while, and I kind of wanted to set the information straight. I stay in Boxycharm. I'll stay as a president of the combined entity, not just on the board. And I'm going to keep running the company. Ideally is that Boxycharm and Ipsy are going to just improve. If there is a component that one company does better than the other, then we're going to learn from each other and get ourselves better. If it's going to be in a product or service, this is the goal, to take whatever we do and make it better. It's super exciting because each company has their own internal resources and I would say trade secrets and I would say information that we really keep proprietary for us. And now when you unveil, when you take down, when you lift the curtain and you learn from the other side, we're both getting better. And this is exciting. So if there was any concern where people think, well, are you going to start shipping only Ipsy? No. Boxycharm is going to stay Boxycharm. Ipsy will stay Ipsy. And if Boxycharm has a point that we can go and help Ipsy improve, we'll do it, which I'm sure there are. And then vice versa. If it's in customization, profiling people and giving you the right product, shipments, customer service, products going into the box, all that is going to be improved. What's also important to understand is that the reason Boxycharm did so well and the reason Ipsy did so well was, one of the reasons was that we compete with each other, and that competition pushed us, each company, to be better. When I started Boxycharm, I mean, Ipsy was definitely a benchmark for me to where I want to hit and how I want to get better. And then later on, as we grew, it was definitely a competition for Ipsy, and they felt us and they wanted to improve. So they moved from a bag into a full size. And really, ultimately, we both got much better. We allowed choice, we allowed add-ons, and we allowed customization. Our customization got better. And there's just a lot more to improve, and now as a combined entity we'll be much more resourceful and much better. But at the same time, we want to make sure that when you get Ipsy or Boxycharm, you're not going to feel as if it was built in the same place. We're going to keep two separate companies. We're here on the East Coast. Well, they have also present in the East Coast, but Boxycharm is primarily East Coast, and then Ipsy is the West Coast. Two separate entities, two separate group of people, and think of two different chefs on two different restaurants creating different dishes, so you can always get a different experience for both boxes. This is where we're very, very important. So I see some people are confused, so if you can watch the video from the start, once I'll keep it saved. But to summarize, Boxycharm and Ipsy are now working together. We have done this last night, just signed the papers, really exciting. And we're trying to improve everything we are doing, making sure that collaborative resources and efforts are to improve the experience and the product on both companies. Understand that nothing is going to change in your end. All you're going to see is the same thing. You're not going to receive Ipsy box by mistake. It's separate resources. So this is it. You can go and find the articles on Bloomberg. that was published today. And pretty much, I'm excited to show you what's coming in apparel. And that's pretty much it. We will do another one later on, probably next few days, where I can do some questions and answers, but today we have a lot of work to do, and it's an exciting day for everybody in Boxycharm and Ipsy. I want to congratulate the Ipsy team. They did a fantastic job. I'm really excited working with them. I've met with their senior team, with the leadership team, and definitely a lot of excitement on both sides. So thank you all, and we'll be in, I will say, in about next week, after the election, we will talk about that merger and acquisition again, and I'll answer some more questions.